uBeeslaar uyavuma ukuthi wayengekho endaweni yesigameko ngesikhathi kudutshulwa abafundi kanye noNtumba. Uthi ubufakazi bakhe bugxile kulokho akubona kuvideo kanye nakubona ngesikhathi yefika eBraamfontein. Uthe akazi ukuthi ubani owadubula wabulala uNtumba.
The accused persons would not?
He did not kill Mr. Ntumba, the deceased.
Your Honor, I do not know who killed the deceased person.
Uthe angeke aqagule ngokuthi wawuthini umyalelo wawunikezwe amaphoyisa ayiqaphe umbhikisho.
Your Honor, I don't know what the instruction to the members was. I presume it was to patrol. Captain Moketsi will indicate what the instruction was. Remember what I mentioned regarding the Regulation Gatherings Act. Section 9(1)(c). Any police member may restrict or guide participants so that if they come across a group that is peaceful, that police officer, even a constable, may restrict or guide the participants to ensure that access to property, ensure that the road is, traffic is least impeded. But if, as soon as they say there's a possibility of violence, then Section 9(2)(a) comes into play.
Uphinde wathi amaphoyisa avumelekile ukusebenzisa izinhlamvu zenjoloba uma isimo siphoqa, kepha ikhona nezinye izindlela zokulawula abantu ababhikishayo.
But also then, according to situational appropriateness, they can use tonfas, shields, stun grenades, etc. as well.
Leli icala liyaqhubeka.